In this lesson, we will see 13 direct transitive verbs from the second group. So this is the final part of this series. And so let's start. So of course the question is, what is a direct transitive verb? Well, a verb is direct transitive when it is accompanied by a direct object complement, what we call in French complément d'objet direct. So if you don't know what complément d'objet direct is, please have a look at my video in which I explain it quite precisely. In French, most verbs are of the direct transitive type. And because these verbs accept a direct object complement, complément d'objet direct, it means that they accept the transformation to the passive voice. Same thing here. If you don't know what the passive voice is or how to build it, please have a look at my video. So, it means that these verbs can be used and conjugated in the active voice or in the passive voice. And this is really important. So remember to make lists. This is my advice. And remember with these verbs to try to practice the active voice by making sentences or the passive voice. Salir, salir. Subir, subir. Subvertir, subvertir. Salir, subir, subvertir. Tarir, tarir. Ternir, ternir. Tiédir, tiédir. Tarir, ternir, tiédir. Trahir, trahir. Travestir, travestir. Unir, unir. Trahir, travestir, unir. Verdir, verdir. Vernir, vernir. Vieillir, vieillir. Verdir, vernir, vieillir. Vomir, vomir.